Ladies, gentlemen, fellow aliens of all denominations, I'm proud to announce that we are back doing the Enterprise D build. Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here. Finally restarting the Enterprise D build, originally from Eaglemoss. We got up to magazine 20, which I think were parts 74 to 76 or 78, 7, something like that. I think this is the first delivery we have from Fanhome. Basically, massive thank you to Fanhome for doing what they have done. They bought the stock for the build. Master replicas obviously buy all the little models and stuff, and we are continuing to do a video series on those to get the full set of the Star Trek ones going. Fanhome bought the Enterprise D build, and I'm still a little bit dubious because in my last video back in April, it was yeah, I got the PDFs for all parts from 1 to 26. I'm not sure if this is going to continue or not, because this is a 31 magazine issue, right? Because I've figured it out, you get 2 on the first, you get 4 for each magazine, done, happy. This will not be opened in this video. We are going to go through, actually, it might be open in this video, might do it right at the end. Basically, what I'm going to do is thank Fanhome for continuing this for all of us, for all of the people wanting to continue this build. And it's been a roller coaster. Eaglemoss went under. We all knew there were problems, and I am not getting into that now because it's not a rant video, it's a happy video. So, this is magazine 21. It went up to, I got to number 20, and it was quite late, quite weird where it came. Actually, the last video I produced on this was the 23rd of April 2022, and then a year later, the last video I did for the Eaglemoss was "It's Not Far Away." Yeah, we're all been waiting and waiting and waiting. I assume that Fanhome are going to be continuing this till the end, hopefully. Fanhome also, keep an eye on them. The Fanhome.com, there you go, there's the email address. Keep an eye on them. They are doing the Millennium Falcon build, they are doing the R2-D2 build, they are doing the DeLorean, they are doing so many build series, it's ridiculous. I want the Millennium Falcon. Yes, I know there's problems with the paint. I want to do the R2-D2. Yeah, there's problems with how things fit together. I want to do all of these builds, but I haven't got the money, so it's gonna wait. Once this is done, maybe we'll do something at a later date. So I'm going to do a recap on where we are. Now, the box is finally out. And yes, these are tea towels. Because right on top, and I didn't want to compress anything down here, is the saucer section to the Enterprise D. Now, I'm going to have to move this out of the way again. It's on a piece of sponge. So there you go. This is the top section. This is as far as we went. All the top is done. I'd never modded this. This is the thing with it. If I had known a year ago, if I'd have known 16 months ago that this was going to stop and this was going to continue, I would have took every panel off of this. I would have kept the superstructure underneath. I would have took all of these panels out. I might have continued with the electrics, but I would took all the windows out of all this lot, resin them, and I wish to God I'd carried on doing that, because it would have been an immense series. Could have even got these phaser parts here, glue them all together to make a full band all the way around. There could have been so many projects that could have been done with this. However, we were never sure. We were always ready for this getting thrown straight in the bin. It's metal, it's plastic, it's a skeleton, it's electrics. There's all sorts of gubbins that will fit on this panel that goes over here. Don't know if this is going to be in or not. A big shout out to DMU, Dan's Model Universe. I have got, right, this is a confession. Here's mine. And here's Dan's. They don't supply to Ireland. They don't supply anywhere else apart from, I think, mainland Europe, UK and USA. DMU, Dan's Model Universe, is in Ireland, so I'm helping him out. He's helped me out with the channel. I'm helping him out by getting these delivered to me, and I will ship them across. Eventually they will do this. Maybe we'll get a few months down the line and they will turn around and say, yes, we can do this, and we will ship these directly to Ireland, Norway, Canada, I don't know, wherever they're going to. So this is going to get shipped to him as soon as I can possibly get it off to him, because he's eager to continue as well. So we've all got these parts just sat waiting. At the moment we're finally getting on with this. So there we go. This is also courtesy of Starship Modeler. Thank you very much for finally getting this. I also got the parts 1 to 6, I think they were. Or was it 1 to 4? No, it was 1 to 6, I think. Because you got plenty of panels. I can't do anything with them unless I restart the build. The source, the navigation reflector. Top half of... It's the wrong one, obviously. And it's also still got the blue inside there, which they changed. Yeah, definitely blue. We can alter those because they were painted blue anyway. Everything is not being modded. These are all the spare parts I have from the build. This is how Eaglemoss never really were bothered about spares. So, yeah, great. We also have the very wrong, I think it's the port nacelle, not entirely certain, but she does actually light up. It's not brilliant. Could do with doing light diffusing in there, but it looks like LEDs. More light coming out the bottom than the top, actually. But they're still missing the 3 lines on there. Might get some sort of decal or maybe just paint on there or something, the 3 lines. They've got the 2 on the back. They're like vents, but not there. Would like to upgrade this to do more and have it all on one power supply. And we have as well on here, this is how I've protected this over the past year. We have the Cobra Neck, which the bridge, oh, that's done it again. It's supposed to be glued in place. There are magnets on there so you can take that off and do something. But this also should work. Yep, the lights inside work up. So this is fine. Strange how the torpedo launcher on the front lights up constantly. Bit weird. I'm not showing that, actually I will show this one. This is a spare bridge. This is from Starship Collector. So yeah, we have parts. We can continue making a second one if I am that daft. Back end of the secondary hull. Really nice done there. Didn't get to on the start. I think the next part in the box will, because I have seen some other people's videos doing these, because some got shipped to America and they were started at least, which was nice. So we can see them. They've got this magazine that I'm currently waiting to start. So yeah, they definitely did parts of things. Oh, that is so heavy on the front. Okay, so there you got the secondary hull as we were. I'm certain this is the got a bit of port side that goes into there. So far it's very unbalanced, but there's your secondary. No, you haven't. There's your secondary hull. The part that goes into here, which is the next bit. It's strange how the saucer all went together in little parts, where there's a secondary hull, big piece there, big piece there, big piece, massive piece over here, and it all seems to be better this way around than doing the parts on the saucer. So yeah, we've got more to do. The piece on here should come in the next, if not the one afterwards, issue. The underneath section of all this needs doing. The underneath section of the saucer needs doing as well. So can I get that over? Oh, this is so heavy. It's ridiculously heavy. Oh, so technically, that's really heavy. That's as far as we got on the Enterprise build. Don't know what they're doing with the stickers. It's strange how they already put the paintwork on here and on here, back here, here, but never did it on the front for the actual registry number and the name. So, don't know. Really, really don't know. It's also strange I got shuttle bay 2 and 3, or cargo bay 2 and 3, when the main shuttle bay up here is not marked off. Not even the same colour as these. There's a lot of faults with this model kit. Very, very lots of faults. I should have spent a year doing all of these lifeboats. Should have done all the windows and made them flush, because they're all raised. Shouldn't be able to do that. They're all raised, so it's almost like the windows are outside of the hull, which they're not. Should be flushed with the actual hull. Transport emitters still stuck in place. This doesn't work now. The batteries on here for some reason have gone completely flat, but it's still, I still maintain the idea, and I know people in the comments are gonna have a go at this by saying, oh, it's just rubbish. It's, yeah, they rip you off. Yeah, no, I know they did. I'm aware that they ripped us off. But where else do you get a model kit this big, this complex? You're never going to do this. You can do a plastic model. They only do the smaller size, which is a lot smaller than this. This is brilliant if we can get it done. So, yeah, stick with me. And within the next year, hopefully, this will all be done and sorted, and I'll be really happy with it. So, enough ranting. There we go. And I'd, yeah, get the board out. Nice and... Here we go. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on social media if you like. Become a Patreon. The links are in the description below. Consider a donation. I'll do a nice little video, give you a comment, and put your name at the end of the video, and everybody can see that. And I will see you in another video. Please comment below on all this lot, good or bad, I don't care. It's fine. I understand there are problems. I understand there's bitterness with people with Eaglemoss. Eaglemoss have gone. If you want to do anything bitter, have a go at, what do you call him? Ben Robinson. Ben Robinson? Yeah. And have a good go at him, and I'm sure he'll be apologetic as anything. It's probably, it can't be his fault, because, yeah, it's a company decision. He was there as the spokesperson and the founder, but unfortunately it was a bigger decision than him. So, yeah, we'll carry on this as soon as humanly possible, and I will see you in that video, if not other videos. Bye for now.